Hi guys, hello everyone, my name is Inga. Welcome to my channel. I am so happy to see all of you here. During my short tutorials we will learn Procreate, explore how to use different watercolor techniques, how to reach those authentic watercolor look, and in the end of my class no one will tell you that your painting is actually a digital one. And guys, if you want to suggest some topics, I will be happy to listen to you. You might leave your comment in a discussion section. And guys, if you want to see more tutorials, please subscribe, thumbs up, grab your iPad, Apple Pencil, or just regular watercolor paper and paints, and let's paint together. During my short tutorials, we will explore Procreate, learn more about its features, about watercolor painting techniques, how to reach this authentic watercolor look in your digital artwork. Every week we will cover a new topic that will help you to boost creativity and learn new ways how to become professional and create amazing artwork. If you want to suggest some topics, please go ahead and leave your message under the video. Your feedback is really important for me.